And now, WWE presents the Royal Rumble.
When Big Show is motivated to do something, there's not another man in the world that can stop him.
He's very motivated tonight.
The Big Red Machine's been eliminated.
Eccentric's getting ready to come out. Oh, he's going for the eyes. It's such an effective move.
Jacob Cass enters at number 36.
I've been wondering when he'd show up, and what a spot to come in at.
And Orton just unloading with a huge right.
He could be set for a ride.
Oh, that was close. He's coming back through the ropes.
He's in trouble. Nice to see you again, Ziggler. Who's going to enter next?
In the corner, fighting to stay in the ring, fighting for survival. It's John Morrison, the Prince of Parkour. What a move by Cass. This time. What an all-star group we have remaining. All these men battling for the World Heavyweight Championship.
Any one of them can win it, but I gotta say, the odds-on favorite has to be the Big Show.
He came in at number 18 and has eliminated 7 people since he arrived. And here comes Cody.
Setting it up. Oh, man, what a kick!
Morrison's been eliminated. Great athletic ability on display there.
The things this guy can do are simply amazing. Yow! And again with the Bulldog.
The emotion of Jacob Cass cannot be contained. Nice snapmare takedown.
Oh, that really was a beautiful move. Oh, how do you do that? That type of speed is so hard to contain. Rhodes looking to deliver some big-time impact. Hey!
King, we speculated that there'd be a strong WCW presence tonight, but so far, things have been quiet.
Well, the evening's not over, Michael. Not with stakes this high. Hey! He's going for it again. It's almost time Jacob Cass does it.
Here comes the Hall of Famer. It's Ricky, the Dragon Steamboat.
What a heads-up move from Cass.
Watch it. What a drop kick. Look at the eyes of Jacob Cass.
Who's next?
Here comes the incomparable Rey Mysterio. And King, a move like that.
Watch this.
And now, looking to put him away.
That's it. He's done.
And Mysterio's quickness gets him out. Watch it.
Setting it up. Oh, man, what a kick.
Rey's been eliminated.
Uh-oh, Kevin Nash is coming out.
What are Cody and Big Show doing?
I think you can handle it from here, gentlemen.
This is awful. Cash is going to get his face caved in.
Wow, what a move from Cass. Cody's been eliminated.
But Big Show's still there.
Big Show is the new World Heavyweight Champion. Do you see what I see?
Michael, Cody Rhodes and Big Show have obviously sided with Nash and his WCW cronies.
They turned their backs on WWE is what they've done.
What's Big Show think he's going to do now?
King, he's spray painting the title. These men have defaced the World Heavyweight Championship. They've defaced WWE.